Welcome students. Once again, we will start today with a sentence. A sentence that is a very important part of our daily life because we cannot convey anything without group of words. We cannot convey our idea, our beliefs, our thought or a statement or any information without a sentence. We need sentence to convey anything that is happening in our life. So let me study how to go with the sentence. Number one, we will go with its meaning. A sentence is a group of words which gives a complete sense or information. For example, go can't out raining its eye heavily. Reading I hate newspaper. So very fine because I have given group of words, but here I did a mistake. I did not arrange them properly because to convey the correct meaning, to convey the correct information, it is very important to arrange them properly. So let we go with the correct formation of a sentence. I can't go out since it's raining heavily. I hate reading newspaper. So the down two sentences are given in a proper order and that's why they are conveying the correct meaning or the idea of the speaker. So we come to know that when the group of words are arranged in a proper order, then only these are called sentences. Next we will see the rules for writing a sentence. Students, there are some rules to form a correct sentence and these are very important when we are writing them. What are these? Let me go for these rules. Number one, words should be arranged properly to convey the correct thought or idea. See, I told you when words are there but not arranged properly, it won't convey the correct meaning. It should be arranged properly. Number two, it always starts with a capital letter. Never you write a small letter when you begin to write a sentence. It should always be with a capital letter. Number three, it always ends with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. Never leave the sentence without keeping these of any mark. According to the situation, we need to put a full stop or a question mark or an exclamatory mark. Number three, we will go with the need of sentence. Students, we don't have only group of words. There should be a subject or a verb. These two things are very important when you are writing a sentence. Object often we don't use. Sometimes we write with only subject and verb and sometimes we require an object. For example, in the garden. In the garden is a group of words but there is no subject and also not verb. Second, my father. There is also no verb. We can't understand what the speaker wants to say. If we will give them subject and verb, then only we can understand the correct meaning or the correct information the speaker or the writer wants to convey. What are these? See, for example, we were playing in the garden. Now, in the garden is not alone. We have subject as we and playing is an action, a verb. Now, with both of them, we can understand that in the garden is what? Actually, we need subject or verb to understand what was happening actually in the garden. Number two, my father reads newspaper every evening. Now we can understand what my father is. My father reads newspaper. The speaker wants to or the writer wants to convey that His father reads newspaper every evening. So here, till we did not get a subject or a verb, we did not understand the meaning of group of words. But as soon as we get subject or verb, we understand the meaning of a sentence. Now, we studied what do we need to form a sentence. We studied the punctuation mark we should use to form a sentence, and we also studied that group of words should be arranged properly. We will have an exercise on these three topics. Handwriting very Mira's is good. In this sentence, they have given you words but not in proper order, and also they did not give you punctuation. So we will use the correct punctuation and we will give them the correct formation also. So here number one answer is Mira's handwriting is very good. Love books story I reading. It's arranged properly and the answer will be I love reading story books. Number 3. School next week the will reopen. No, it's wrong. The answer is school will reopen next week. Number 4. Mother very well my cooks. Answer will be my mother cooks very well. Thank you students for watching my classes. I hope you are understanding my classes very well. For any inquiry, for any topic you feel difficult, can write me in the comment box so that I can help you in this. Thank you.